What's up, guys? Hail Mary Derby. We're back. We had one in November. They replaced World Cup finals, but back here with Sal's car. Will is actually here too with the Juggernaut, the Nth Moto Viper, the red one, just like this one. I'm gonna try to get some footage of his as well, but see, it's fast cars here. So I don't expect to see those from my video. I know last time I had one comment that was a hater who thought I worked for 1320. No, it's just me. So I can't get 60 cars. I stick to 1 or 2 cars that I know 100% I can get footage on. So it is what it is. But it made one pass yesterday. It was an 8-mile hit, and it was 490. I insert that clip here. Here's Will right there, actually. But yep, I insert that clip and then get this race going on right here. Not a race, but just this pass. Sure it's not going to be. You said a what?
You fucking went 120, 60 foot.
Good shit.
See why Mr. Eric says leave on 73?
Holy shit.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Good shit, boy. Yo, I looked at it, I said, damn, 750. And I was like, oh yeah. She holding the power. All right, so went 750 at 150 something. Letting out, of course, at the 8th. Or no, I think 1,000 foot. I mean, I think it's fixed. He said he was having camera issue, camera timing issue, one of the two, but car stuck. Will unfortunately spun. That was their first pass, so they got some more tweaking to do. They'll get it right. I am gonna get a. Oh shit! Speaking of GoPro, got to turn mine off. I am gonna get a GoPro on his car as well, so stay tuned. All right, so back with Will now. Will just did a freaking wheelie. He just rolled the back bumper. Like, the first pass he spun, Aaron tightened it up pretty good. And, I mean, it worked, but it just came up. So, can't beat that with a baseball bat. Great. That was great. But next. Alright, so funny fact that this car is called Juggernaut as well. And then the Viper is called the Juggernaut or the Juggernaut. 13 Junkie is their Instagram name, I want to say. And then Will's Instagram is Junkie. Some numbers, I can't remember what it was. But I thought that was funny. Between the two cars.
Down New Jersey, the 08
Alright, we got Will and Milan / Sal coming up. Will's over there. Milan and Sal's over there. So get it popping. Right now we got 3 cars in front of us. The first one is Grandis, the 6-speed. I want to say record car. See what he can do, I guess. We'll wait. Couldn't get it to work. I'm gonna record these as we wait for our 2 cars.
I like that color.
Huh?
So I like that color.
Yeah, dude. Nice. What we gonna do? We're gonna go fast. We're gonna go fast. A 687 at 204. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting that. Alright. Yeah, no, for real. Alright, up next, Will. Nth Moto. Every single pass. Every single pass. Alright, so we got Milan back. Sal's proud as hell. There we go. I feel the hug coming. 733, 191. What you think?
He's the man.
He said he's the man.
He's the young man.
The young man, literally. And just took a test before this.
What was it, 60?
Yeah.
120.
Hell yeah. All right. Yes, sir. Wow. Aaron,
Damn.
you're the man.
Getting there with a pedal. With the pedal. You got nervous.
Alrighty. We have Milan up now. German racer. Sal Patel. Milan Patel. Yes, sir. I'll slow down a little bit. 750, 188. That bitch on the back. Congrats, Aaron.
There it is.
690 at 211.
This is the man right here. You can ask him. I don't know. It's been what, 9 years? 9 years.
Wow. So I have to go to. You gotta go to the archives. Wow. This is interesting.
Literally the same. Yeah. Hey, do I get one of the big kisses too?
That's what's up.
Creepy. Right down to the 100. The same. It's dead even. You got one more day. You got 2 days. Dude, that's the shit, man.
That's alright.
Like you guys are. Dude, that's so fun. It's just back.
I'm proud.
We went 6 it's the 6th time. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. You can't complain about that. Man, and like, the in-car is going to be funny.
Six pass of the day. Turn it up just a smidge more. Mile per hour should stay the same, but you should go a little bit quicker. If it makes an A to B. Let's see. sir.
We'll take it.
We'll take it. I might as well.
That was one extra pound. I know, right?
Yes, sir.
You getting there, man. You getting there.
Yes, sir.
Nice light, too.
Thank you.
All right, so that was Milan's fastest pass. Yeah, every single pass he made today pretty much was his fastest pass. And the car still has a lot more. I don't know. Him and Will, man, I don't know. I love it because they both home team, really, so.